Complete Guide. Applying for a Canadian Study Permit with GIC Certificate. 1. Determine eligibility. Before you begin, make sure you meet the basic eligibility criteria for a study permit. 1. You must have been accepted by a designated learning institution, DLI, in Canada. 2. You must demonstrate that you have sufficient funds to cover tuition fees, living expenses, and return transportation. 3. You must be a law-abiding citizen with no criminal record and be in good health. 2. Obtain a Guaranteed Investment Certificate, GICA. Choose a participating bank. 1. Select a bank offering GICs for international students, such as Scotiabank, CIBC, or RBC Royal Bank. 1. Check the IRCC website for a list of participating banks. B. Open a GIC account. 1. Contact the chosen bank or visit their website to understand the process for opening a GIC account. 2. Deposit the required amount, typically CAD $10,000 to CAD $20,000, into the GIC account. 2. This amount may vary depending on your program duration and financial needs. Receive the GIC certificate. 1. After making the deposit, the bank will provide a GIC certificate or confirmation letter. 1. This document confirms the amount of the investment and its terms. 3. Gather required documents. Prepare all the necessary documents for your study permit application. 1. Proof of acceptance. An acceptance letter from a designated learning institution, DLI, in Canada. 2. Proof of identity. A valid passport and recent passport-sized photographs. 3. Proof of funds. The GIC certificate or confirmation letter from the bank. 4. Proof of ties to home country. Documents demonstrating your intention to return to your home country after your studies. 5. Other documents. Any additional documents required by IRCC or specific to your situation, such as police certificates or medical exams. 4. Complete the study permit application form. Obtain the form. 1. Download the study permit application form, IMM 1294, from the IRCC website. B. Fill out the form. 1. Provide accurate details about yourself, your study plans, and your financial situation. 2. Include information about your GIC and other proof of funds. 5. Create an IRCC account. Online application. 1. Create a GC key or sign in using a partner service on the IRCC website. 2. Complete and submit your study permit application online, uploading all required documents including the GIC certificate. B. Paper application. 1. If applying on paper, print the completed IMM 1294 form and sign it. 2. Gather all supporting documents including the GIC certificate. 3. Mail your completed application to the appropriate Canadian visa office or application center in your country. 3. You can find the mailing address on the IRCC website. 6. Pay the application fee. 1. The application fee for a study permit is CAD $150. 2. Pay online through the IRCC website and keep the receipt as proof of payment. 7. Provide biometrics if required. 1. Depending on your nationality and the visa office processing your application, you may be required to provide biometrics, fingerprints, and photo. 1. Follow the instructions provided by IRCC. 8. Wait for processing. 1. Processing times can vary. 1. Check the IRCC website for current processing times and updates on your application status. 9. Receive a decision. 1. If your application is approved, you will receive your study permit and, if applicable, a temporary resident visa, TRV, or an ETA, electronic travel authorization, to enter Canada. 2. If refused, you will receive a letter detailing the reasons for the refusal. 10. Prepare for your arrival in Canada. 1. Make travel arrangements and ensure you have all required documents with you, including your study permit approval, GIC certificate, proof of acceptance from your DLI, and other necessary paperwork. 2. Upon arrival in Canada, present yourself to the immigration officer at the port of entry with all relevant documents to finalize your study permit and gain entry.